Hi, now I will explain the OEM strategies in business planning. Strategy is a kind of plan to achieve your business missions. And functional areas such as marketing, operations, and finance, each function will have their own strategies. And these strategies will exploit the opportunities and strengths and neutralize the stress from outside and avoid over your weaknesses. Strategies for competitive advantages are differentiation. Your product or service should be different. In other words, your product or service should be better or at least different compared to your competitors. If you sell similar product and similar price, you cannot survive in the market. So to win in the market, in other words, to be competitive, your product or service should be different. It's very important. Your product should be different. Second one is cost leadership. Your product should be cheaper. When you process your product, you should produce your product at a cheaper cost compared to your competitors. Your cost is going down, then you will be more competitive in the market. You can sell, if you sell at the same price, you will have more profit, or you can reduce your price to beat your competitors and so on. Another third strategy used frequent strategies, response. You will increase your response. Rapid delivery is also very important issues to win in the market. So if you are automobile designer, you will develop new cars earlier than your competitors. Then you respond to customers' needs. Then you will win in the market. Why operation function is so important in strategic point of view? When you have effective production operation management, then you can lower the cost, and also you can boost the quality of your goods and services, and also it responds dependably to customers' need, and also it enables it to renew itself by providing new product and so on. But through this operational function, you can reduce your cost, improve your quality, and improve your delivery response and so on. In other words, you will be more competitive in the market. Now I will show some examples. Competing on differentiation. Uniqueness can go beyond both the physical characteristics and service attributes to encompass everything that impact customers' perception or value. So the example is Safe Skin Glove is a leading edge product, but Disneyland, Walt Disney Magic Kingdom is experience differentiation. They love that their customers will experience some different experience compared to any other entertainment. And the Hard Rock Cafe is they will provide a totally different dining experience to customers. And also you can compete on cost. Examples is Southwest Airlines is secondary airport, and no frills service, efficient utilization equipment. So they reduce the sales value. The Walmart, they will use a small overhead and they will minimize shrinkage, and they reduce the distribution cost and so on. Finally, they reduce their cost and they sell product at cheaper price to their competitors. And French Colruyt is no bags, low light, no music, doors and freezers is not used and so on. By eliminating such a thing, they try to reduce the cost and to be more competitive in the market. Another one is competing on response. They may give more flexible. Flexibility is matching market change to design, innovation, and volumes. Hewlett Packard, they have developed lots of mass production, and also they will satisfy different customers' demand. So they develop flexible manufacturing systems, and then they meet different customer demand. And at the same time, they meet the mass production and so on. This flexible strategy is the winning strategy for Hewlett Packard. And reliability and timeliness, quickness in design, quickly produce, and quickly delivery, and so on. Pizza Hut and is also important. They use the quick deliveries and so on. So, in the left-hand side, I have listed here 10 operations major decisions of product design and high quality and process, location and layout, human resources, supply chain, how to manage inventory, how to change your daily schedule, how to improve your maintenance, and so on. Our ultimate goal is here. We will try to develop something different compared to your competitors. Differentiation and faster, quick response. And also we need to produce our product at cheaper cost. So this cost leadership. These three are major competitive strategies. So through the operations and functions, so important decisions, we can meet all these competitive objectives and so on. But here the green line is, the blue line is relating to decision problem, system and decision problem. The 7 to 10 is like daily operating decisions. The blue color written is very important business plan. The other is relating operation. After business started, when you do every daily operation, this is important issues in the later. So today my seminar, I will emphasize this design problems. Goods and services and 10 OM problems. In quality, for example, quality. I have mentioned about design already. Quality is very also important in design. Recently, quality, and traditionally we think, inspection person checks all your product and services, and bad product is there, they eliminate and take it out and replace, sometimes throw it away, and then we will make sure high quality product is delivered to customers. But these days, quality can be embedded into product design directly. If design is bad, and if the parts and material is bad, we cannot expect high quality product at the end. So we need to make sure high quality parts and material should be delivered from your suppliers at the beginning. And every important step, we need to make sure you are doing your work at a high quality product is guaranteed or not. Okay? Then all the other is capacity decisions and location, layout, human resources, supply chain, inventory scheduling, is all is relating to 10 important issues. And then I have introduced two examples. Two drug companies, they are using different operation strategies. Brand name drugs and generic drug company, they always use a cost leadership, low cost. While brand name is famous companies, the innovative company, they want to develop differentiation. They are focused on product differentiation. the generic companies, they focused on lower cost leadership. Then all the operation functions in inventory, maintenance, all will be different. For example, here, inventory is, if you focus on differentiation, inventory is high finished goods inventory is required to ensure all demands are met. But if you're focused on cost leadership, process focus drive work in process inventory, finished inventory tend to be low. To reduce cost, they try to reduce the inventory as low as possible. In maintenance is to product differentiation companies, they will try to train the staffs very well. High training is required, and they will purchase very expensive parts and inventory will be used. But low-cost company, they will try and train the staffs, but to meet the changing demand. Everyday demand is up and down, so they will train the employees to flexibly to meet the changing demand and so on. So different strategy will have different daily operation decisions will be followed. So OEM strategy development processes. First step is you need to find out many differentiation, cost leadership, and response, and also many 10 different OEM factors relating to there. But you need to find out what is key success factors. You can compare your success story of your competitors, what they did. And also, in your product and service, you need to find out key success factors. And then, you need to build and staff organization, and then integrate your own function with other activities to meet the key success factors. Okay, now, this is a summary of my seminar. Through my seminar, you need to understand what is OEM, why OEM is important. OEM is we focus on transformation process from input to output. Through this transformation function, value should be added, value added process. When you consider, when you know how to do the operation function, you can add values into the product. Okay? And also, when you design, product design main focus is customer satisfaction, but OEM will provide how to meet the customer's satisfaction, how to translate customers' needs into engineering point of view. So OEM is very useful technique to understand customers' need. And also when you're planning, you need to have lots of design problems, such as capacity decisions and other how much fixed asset is should be invested at the beginning, and also where is your location, what kind of layouts will be used. All these are very important OEM design problems. So when you develop OEM strategy, you need to understand what is focusing demand. Without knowing demand, you cannot answer any other following operations decision. So you need to know you need to get reliable, reasonable demand. And then you need to decide what kind of decisions will be used. Another way is how much fixed cost will be used at the beginning. Fixed asset is very expensive. Or you may say stepwise increase your capacity. And at the end, you need to consider how the OEM function will be integrated when you develop your business plan and business strategies. Thank you very much for listening my seminar. I hope you will learn a lot when you consider your business plan. Your OM technique, OM knowledge is very helpful to improve your business plan is more successful. In the future, I hope you will win in your business and successfully you will build up your own business. Thank you very much for listening.